Hello friends, this is Sachin Bhardwaj from Teen Decipher and we'll be discussing Indian Geography General Introduction Part 1 today. In this discussion, we'll be discussing about the Indian locational factors. As you can see, latitudinally we are situated in the northern hemisphere and longitudinally we are in eastern hemisphere of the globe. Northern northernmost point of India is Indira Col, which is situated in Jammu and Kashmir, whereas the southernmost point is Indira Point, which is situated in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Southernmost point of Indian mainland is Kanyakumari, which is in Tamil Nadu, as you can see over there. This is the southernmost part. Now, if we talk about the border, we got 2,912 kilometer long border which we share with Pakistan. Chinese border is around 3,380 kilometers, whereas 1,609 kilometers we share with Nepalese border. The longest border we got is with Bangladesh, which is around 4,053 kilometers. Moving on, our total land frontier is about 15,200 kilometers, whereas our coastal frontier and boundary, we call it, will be around 7,516.6 kilometer, which includes main plus island. Mainland, this one, and the islands. There, got it? Gujarat got the largest coastline, which is followed by the Andhra Pradesh over there. If we talk about the territorial sea, then the 12 nautical mile is the distance from the main coastline, which is the territorial sea for India, and ahead of this 12 nautical mile and up to next 12 nautical miles is called as contiguous zone. And India got various rights like fiscal rights, levying excise duties, right to implement pollution control laws, and right to implement the immigration laws in this contiguous zone over there. This is 12 plus 12, it equals to 24 nautical miles. Ahead of this, we got contiguous zone, which and sorry, area ahead of contiguous zone is called the exclusive economic zone EEZ, which extend up to 200 nautical miles. And we got various sovereign rights for this EEZ. We got right for exploring, exploiting, and conserving, managing, living. Minded, the point is living and non-living both resources of water, seabed, and subsoil. Whereas the area beyond this is the continental shelf, but we got limited rights over there. Though these are sovereign rights, but these are in reference to the non-living resources of the seabed, subsoils, plus sedimentary species. Okay, moving on. We will be taking on the time zone in which India falls. We are basically ahead of 5 hours and 30 minutes before the standard Greenwich meridian, which is in London, London's Greenwich Royal Observatory over there. And as you can see, India's stretches from this point to this point is quite phenomenal. So it could have been divided into two time zones, but that would be administratively and other problems India might face. So we just took one standard time meridian for India, and that passes through Mirzapur, which is actually 82 degree and 30 minutes east. Okay, there we got Mirzapur. And by the way, I had just already told you that Indian standard time is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of the standard Greenwich mean time. Tropic of Cancer, this is something which UPSC and various other state services exams keeps on asking. So attend to it carefully. It passes through Gujarat and it passes through the southern tip of Rajasthan, almost bisecting Madhya Pradesh into half, then northern tip of Chhattisgarh, dividing Jharkhand again, passing through West Bengal, then it enters in Tripura. Obviously Bangladesh before that, but this is not our concern right now, and then finally to the Indian state of Mizoram on the Myanmar border. So in total we got 8 states through which the Tropic of Cancer actually passes by. Well, important facts about Indian states and territory, this should be something we need to remember for various exams. We got 29 states. The last state was recently formed in 2nd June 2014 was Telangana, carved out of Andhra Pradesh. We will be studying later on after this. Area wise, Rajasthan is the largest state, then it is followed by Madhya Pradesh, which was the largest state, by the way, until it was bifurcated and Chhattisgarh were carved out of it. Then Madhya Pradesh at present is followed by Maharashtra, then Andhra Pradesh, and Goa is the smallest state we got. Only one union territory, that is Puducherry, is spread into three states. Yes, this is three states. This is not at a single place. Where it is, you can see over there. It is in Yanam, is in Andhra Pradesh, whereas Puducherry and Karaikal is in Tamil Nadu, and Mahe, that is in Kerala. And talking about and taking up the point of Telangana, this was the 29th state. Okay, moving on. You can see over there, this is the part which is carved out of erstwhile Andhra Pradesh. Northernmost 10 districts were taken, and the location which can be asked in pre or in state examination, that by which side it is surrounded by which state, and northeast or northwest. So we'll be taking it one by one. Okay, these are the 10 northwestern district of erstwhile AP. Hyderabad will be the common capital for next 10 year, although there are news that Hyderabad, after Hyderabad, Amravati will be taken over as the capital for this Andhra Pradesh. Now, Tera, by how many states, in which direction it is surrounded by? Andhra Pradesh in east and south. East and south. What is there? This is Andhra Pradesh only. East may be Andhra Pradesh, and in the southern part it is also Andhra Pradesh. Chhattisgarh in the northeast, Chhattisgarh over there, and then Maharashtra in the north, straight up, and then also in the northwest as well. Here and here it is surrounded by Maharashtra, and moving on, Karnataka is in the western end of Telangana. Okay.